Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to find your favorite video on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app. This works on both iPhone and Android. Absolutely on any device. So let me give you an example. Let's say we turn on a video. Let's pause it. Let's try to get a like. As you can see, it's 274. It's 275. Now we go out, close that video, go to our profile. In the bottom right corner or the top right corner, click here. This is where we get our account. There's history. There's playlists. Click on View All. Then we'll find the favorite videos. That's the ones we like. And then, as you can see here, is the last video that we just liked. There it is, so we can go to it. Please, it turns on here is the like. Here is our 275 likes that we put on it. If we want to remove a like, we just go in and remove it. Click here, refresh the page, and we immediately lost our like. That's how easy it is to find videos you like on YouTube. If it helped you like the video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.